Number 1. 1976 GMC Sierra 25, $3,200, North Ellensburg, Washington. This wide-body two-wheel drive Sierra 25 represents the rugged durability of mid-1970s General Motors trucks. Equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission, it offers a smooth and capable driving experience. With 107,000 original miles and original paint, it retains strong authenticity. Minor rust in typical areas and small mechanical needs such as a valve cover gasket are expected at this age. Dual fuel tanks and functioning original accessories add practicality. Overall, this is a solid, honest survivor, ideal for light restoration or enjoyable weekend driving. Number 2. 1977 Ford Ranger F350 Dually, $4,499, Sylmar, California. This heavy-duty 1-ton dually is powered by a robust 460 cubic inch V8, making it a true workhorse from the golden era of Ford trucks. The flat stake bed adds utility, while recent updates like a new alternator and battery improve reliability. Although listed as non-operational registration, it runs and drives well. Cosmetic wear is expected, but the drivetrain strength and classic dually configuration make it a strong candidate for hauling or restoration into a vintage utility rig. Number 3. 1973 GMC Sierra 2500 four-wheel drive, $4,444, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A desirable four-wheel drive Sierra 2500 fitted with a 1972 Super Sport spec engine, reportedly with 66,000 miles. This truck combines classic square body styling with strong mechanical capability. With 180,000 miles on the chassis, it remains roadworthy and capable of long-distance driving. Its simplicity and durability make it appealing for collectors seeking a usable vintage four-wheel drive truck with proven reliability. Number 4. 1961 Ford F250, $4,500, Lyons, Colorado. This historically significant F250, formerly owned by the Boulder Valley School District, offers both provenance and originality. Powered by the legendary 223 cubic inch inline-6 mileage maker engine and paired with a heavy-duty 4-speed manual, it reflects Ford's early 60s engineering excellence. The engine turns freely and has shown signs of life, making it a promising revival project. With original dealer markings and preserved patina, it is a rare and meaningful restoration candidate. Number 5. 1978 Ford F150 Custom, $250, Jasper, Arkansas. A one-owner farm truck equipped with a big block V8 and four-wheel drive, this F150 embodies reliability and simplicity. Despite its working life, it remains mechanically functional with all gears operating correctly. Minimal rust in the cab and intact original details such as hubcaps enhance its appeal. This truck is an excellent budget-friendly entry into classic truck ownership, suitable for continued use or gradual restoration. Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $4,700, Weatherford, Texas. This first-generation S10 has been extensively refreshed with new suspension, steering components, brakes, and drivetrain elements. Powered by a 2.8-liter V6, it offers dependable performance and improved handling thanks to a lowered stance. With a clean interior and numerous mechanical upgrades, it stands out as a turnkey classic compact truck. Its blend of originality and customization makes it ideal for enthusiasts seeking a reliable daily classic. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet S10, $20,700, Hillsboro, Oregon. A practical and economical classic compact pickup, this S10 features a 4-cylinder engine delivering excellent fuel efficiency. With nearly none 98,000 miles, it remains a strong runner and benefits from recent paint, brakes, and tires. The addition of a canopy and ladder rack enhances utility. While not a collector-grade example, it is a dependable and affordable classic truck suited for daily use or light-duty work. Number 8. 1984 GMC 2500, $2,500, Canyon Country, California. This 3/4-ton truck is powered by a 454 cubic inch V8, offering significant torque and performance. With only 46,000 miles, it presents as a low-mileage example, and recent fluid changes contribute to its strong running condition. The long bed and 4-door configuration add practicality. This truck represents excellent value for buyers seeking big block power in a classic platform. Number 9. 1992 Chevrolet 2500, $700, Taylor, Texas. A high-mileage work truck with over 453,000 miles, this Chevrolet 2500 requires a transmission replacement and does not currently run. However, it retains a clean title and solid platform for a rebuild or parts donor. For experienced enthusiasts, it offers a low-cost entry into a heavy-duty project with potential for restoration or repurposing. Number 10. 1948 GMC 3100 pickup, $10,000, South Tabor, Oregon. This post-war GMC has been tastefully updated with a 250 cubic inch inline-6, modern 4-speed transmission, upgraded differential, and power brakes. While maintaining its classic appearance, these enhancements improve drivability and usability. The refreshed suspension and dual exhaust further elevate the driving experience. It is an excellent example of a Risto-mod that balances vintage charm with modern performance. Number 11. 1952 Ford F1 pickup, $12,500, Puyallup, Washington. A classic early 1950s Ford pickup with timeless styling and a traditional 6-cylinder engine paired to a 3-speed manual transmission. While it runs, the failed compression test indicates engine work is needed. The body is in fair condition for its age, making it a solid restoration candidate. With its iconic design, this F1 offers strong potential for a rewarding classic rebuild. Number 12. 1967 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $14,900, San Leandro, California. A highly desirable short bed C10 equipped with a later model 350 engine from a 1993 Silverado, offering improved reliability and performance. The automatic transmission and updated drivetrain make it an easy driving classic. With approximately 80,200 miles and a clean title, it is a strong driver quality truck. Its combination of classic styling and modern mechanical upgrades makes it appealing to both collectors and enthusiasts seeking usability.